Hello, I'm Astral and welcome to my channel where I day trade in the stock market. So on the momentum scanner, this stock gapped up so much that it hit our attention and we checked the news. BRG is to be acquired by BlackRock. News on that. So we're looking to scalp this pre-market. We go in with 400 shares. See if it holds 26. It's holding. We join the bid. 400 shares. We got filled. So we're in at 400 shares at 26. So we just want a quick scalp, maybe a dollar, $1.50. Then today we want to use our profits. We want to use our profits to buy something like Facebook or Apple, long-term call options. I really want Google, but I can't afford Google on a small account. So how to get FB, Facebook, or Facebook and Apple. So here's the pop. Still waiting. I'm watching a 5-minute in the middle of the chart on the upper middle, and then the lower left is the 3-minute chart. I don't like to use the 1-minute. It's too fast and you make more mistakes. You get out too fast, you lose money faster. I don't like it. So here we go. Here's the pop. Hand on the sell button. I'm looking at the time and sales right now, so the lower right side. I want above 25. I want to hit above 25. Right there, I joined the ask. Canceled it. It can go a little above that, I think. Waiting, still watching time and sales, watching the 3-minute. There I see 37 on the ask. I join the ask, I get filled. Yes, look at that. $548 gain in what? My time zone is different from you guys, right? So I'm in at 4:05, which is 9:05 Central, and I'm out at 4:12. So it took me 5 minutes for that trade. No, 7 minutes. 7 minutes to make $548. And we top ticked it. That means we got almost close to the highest before it went down. So we did pretty good. I want to buy Facebook 420 leaps. So let me try and get it for the January 20th leaps, right? Options for next year, for 2023, not 2022, 2020. So 1 year out. Put my bid in at $19.15. That's $1,915. Okay, we got filled on that one. Now we have to look for Apple. I want the 190s. The reason I want the 190s, I want to average down because I have the 195, right? So I want to average down. We're gonna buy this. So these are also the January 20th, 2023s. Put in my bid at $14.30. That's $1,430. I get filled instantly. That's all for today. Good thing I put my profits into my long term. Now I just gotta day trade some more to get more profits and keep doing that. Alright, see you in the next video.